Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. And judging by the feedback that I'm getting on my POTA playlist, some basic things about parks on the air, many of you new to POTA are very appreciative of this content I'm creating. So sometimes for the experienced POTA guys out there, this is going to be old school. You've done it, you know how to do it, and that's fine. This is not for you. This is for those new guys, the new POTA activators, those going out to do their first activation. And this video is for the new guys out there, getting started in POTA for the first time. So you've done all the homework, you've got all the gear, you got out and done an activation. What next? It's time to upload your log. So what do? Do you do it at the park? Do you do it at home? Do you do it months later? When is the right time to upload your logs? Well, that's going to be a personal preference. Some people, very few, will make an effort to do all their logs at the end of the month. Some people like me do it almost immediately when I get home. I used to do it before I left the park, but you'll find a time that works best for you. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your logs to Parks on the Air. So let's go to the shack and we'll do a demo on how to use Ham2K Polo. You can insert your favorite logging software, but I would recommend using Ham2K Polo and export your logs and then import them to Parks on the Air. So let's go into the shack and we'll do the demo. All right, let's get started with how to upload your log to Parks on the Air. Now, the logging software that you use is irrelevant. You can use Ham2K or any of the other ones out there. I still strongly stand behind Ham2K Polo. It's the easiest one out there for most people to use, and it's free, so you can't complain about that. All right, so we got this fictitious activation we did at Charlie Alpha 001. Let's go ahead and open that up. You can see that we've done our 10 QSOs, so we qualified or we activated the park. We want to go ahead and now import this log to POTA. Now, if you're running Ham2K Polo, follow along. If you're not running Ham2K Polo, then just figure out in that logging software how to export to an ADI file. So if you're paper logging, again, you're going to have to use some sort of application as well to kind of do all the hard work for you. But let's go ahead and say we're using Ham2K Polo, and we're on a computer here, a MacBook. The process is going to be similar for if you're on your iPhone or an iPad. All right, so what we want to do is go to the Operation tab, and we want to find the Manage Operation Logs here. We click on that. It opens up our Export QSOs wizard here. You can see that we also did a LODA, but we're not worried about LODA here. We're only focusing on Parks on the Air. So what we do here is we click on it, and then a dialog box will pop up and say with a bunch of options. We're just going to click on Save, and we're going to save it to somewhere on our hard drive. I've chosen my downloads directory. We're going to head and click on download. I've already had a file here with that name, so I'm just going to go ahead and replace it. And that's basically it. We've downloaded the log. If you have multiple POTA locations, the same process for each one. But for this demo, we only have one. Let's go ahead and shut down Ham2K Polo. We no longer need it. And let's go to the pota.app page. So once you're inside the pota.app page, you want to locate this menu here with the three horizontal lines and click on it. And navigate down to My Log Uploads. Now here you have a couple ways you can do this. You can find the file on your hard drive and click and drag it over, like so. Or you can click in the box here and find the file. Either way. If you have multiple files, you can click and drag multiple files into this box at the same time. What will happen next is it'll give you the file name, the QSO dates, your call sign, the park number, the location, and how many phone, CW, and data connections and total QSOs. You want to check these two boxes, and then once you're done, you click on this upload file for validation. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to upload this fake file to Parks on the Air. And what happens afterwards, if you scroll down on the screen here, you'll see your logs. And the log that you just uploaded will come up across and say processing or pending. And then when it's finished, it will show processed or processed. Processed, that's the word, processed. So if you want to look and see if it's under your activations, you can click on the three lines here, go to My Activations, and you'll see it listed here in your list of activations. So here's all my activations for all the logs that I've uploaded. So there you have it, folks. Real simple way to upload your logs to Parks on the Air. Now, from what I understand from tools like Polo and maybe others, there will come a time when you can actually click and upload your logs from inside the application. Those days aren't here right now, so this is the best way to do it. Again, you could do multiple files or one file. If you do a whole day rove, you can upload all your files at once. And don't forget about that break feature inside of Ham2K Polo, so you don't have to create multiple operations. You can just use one operation and then use the break command to create your separate log. That's a really handy feature. All right, I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Hope you enjoyed this short video, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Talk to y'all later.